guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to my channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity news, something that has to do with Izindaba Zabantu. I am Phakathi Inside. Guys, today we are talking about uSonia Mbele. Hey nina isigaxa esingaka. So Sonia Mbele has been accused of witchcraft, guys. Sonia Mbele, who was Ntombi on Generations Kudala, before kuba Generations The Legacy. Yes, that one. Sonia Mbele, who was Sibusiso Dlomo's wife on Generations. May his soul rest in peace. So Kesana, Sonia Mbele has been accused of witchcraft. Kutwa nje sana. I'm sure she broke up with her husband, ne? They got a divorce, and then the husband moved on and got someone else, and they got married, ne? So Kesana, the name of the husband is Leslie Sedibe, ne? So Leslie Sedibe got another wife. They got married, everything was just going as they wanted it to. But we all know, Sana, when something happens in the marriage, they always say the husband left the wife. But we don't know. It could be the wife that left the husband. So news has been going around saying Sonia Mbele is bitter, Sonia Mbele this and that, Sonia Mbele this and that. And then Sana, the wife, the new wife, Yaga Leslie Sedibe, who is Sonia Mbele's ex-husband, accused uSonia Mbele of doing witchcraft on the husband. So allegedly they were having an argument, they were arguing, and then Ugel was like, wena, le behavior yakho le, it is because your ex-wife uSonia Mbele has bewitched you. Sonia Mbele has bewitched you, like Ugel ukuphethe. And then uSonia Mbele was called by iDaily Sun. Guys, in the once you have Daily Sun, it's getting down. It's real. Sonia Mbele was called by iDaily Sun to comment on this matter. But you are bewitching your ex-husband, Leslie Sedibe. What is happening? We want to hear your comment. We want to hear your side of the story. And then Sonia Mbele was like, hey, well, Mina witchcrafty. First of all, I am a preacher now. I am a preacher. I preach in church, I am part of the ministry. Senyasonda mina. So izinto zobu-witchcraft ngihlanganaphi nazo. uSonia Mbele also continued to say ukuthi mna and this ex-husband of mine, we only communicate via text. Even when he comes to my house, he just stands outside there. He doesn't even enter. So maybe I sent the witchcraft via text, because this guy doesn't even enter my house. How do you bewitch someone that you haven't seen in ages? uSonia Mbele athi yena, she hasn't seen this guy in ages. So angamloya kanjani? Via text, because even ke nokuthi uyangena eJardini like akangeni, the guy stands outside. That was Sonia Mbele Kesana. And guys, be careful of accusing people of witchcraft without proof. Yazi nizoboshwa. And then Kesana kuthiwa here nina Leslie Sedibe and the new wife, they are now separated. They sleep in separate bedrooms inside their house. Ukel was like, no, when it's giving witchcraft, and the person that is giving you witchcraft is uSonia Mbele, your wife. Imagine. These people have been divorced for how many years now? And when they start suing you for defamation of character, because allegedly, when iDaily Sun tried to call Ugel to defend his daughter, Ugel was like, no, hey, wrong number, and dropped the call. If you ask why and you should just tell us the whole story, Pela. We want to hear your side and that side. This is all I have for you today, guys. Please like and subscribe. Hey, Sonia Mbele has been accused of witchcraft. Hi, Guning Sana. I will see you on my next one.